All right, so it's noon right now, and I've been working for well, not really working, not really doing anything too intense, but I've been up for like 2 hours now and trying to get started working on this. Um, I went to bed really late yesterday. That's why I woke up kind of late today too, because I was up until like 4 a.m. editing the videos. Because I had to do the second part of day three, and then I had to do day four, and I also did a little smaller video. I'm also going to publish today. But yeah, like it's not sustainable. I can't keep doing videos like I've been doing until now, where I just like record for a long portion of my workday, and then I edit it to get the best parts, most entertaining or most informative parts. That that can't go on anymore because I'm wasting too much fucking time that I could be using to make money. And since YouTube isn't my fucking priority, because my journal gets recorded anyway, the mindset effects are the same. If even if it's just smaller, simpler videos, that's what I'm gonna be doing from now on. I'm probably not even gonna be doing long videos, just showing off the entire day. I'm just probably gonna be doing these kind of videos for like 5 or 10 minutes, and then uploading them instantly and letting the putting context in the title or description, some shit. Anyway, here's what's been happening. It's currently day. Is it day five or is it day six? I think it's day five right now. Yeah, I think so. Which means I have 7 days to pay rent. And yeah. So yesterday was a very weird day. It started off pretty fucking good. I was very happy when at like lunchtime, but then shit quickly fell apart. And now it's kind of getting together because you'll remember that the I was supposed to be talking with the client for Teacher Zero right now, and as you can see by my fucking appearance, that's not happening. The meeting got late to tomorrow, same hour, same time. But yeah, I'm still worried because delays turn into cancellations, and that's like something I've always noticed. But I do have some more time to perfect the pitch, and I'm gonna try and see this as a glass that's half full, and really add some more polish to the pitch, add some more polish to Teacher Zero itself, because the software works. It's like it's working fine. Like all the features that I need are there, and they work pretty much fully. But it looks kind of ugly. It's not polished, and I really want to make the best impression I can. Um, Actually, I'm going to raise the audio a little bit because I noticed it was kind of too low on the other videos. Anyway, I'm gonna work on that because I'm gonna improve the slide decks a little bit, and I'm a bit more hopeful about Teacher Zero today because I've been talking more with my collaborator, and today he's like way more responsive. We've been texting a lot today, and he seems like he remembered that I need his help for this. And it's yeah, like I don't think he's pissed off at me anymore, which is cool. He might be locking in as well. I'm just gonna use this time improve the pitch deck. Uh, I need this shit to be fucking perfect because I have 7 days to pay rent, and that presentation, the pitch I make to these people needs to be flawless. Because I'm not really counting on the eBay thing anymore. Because after last night's last message, I'm thinking that the guy's an absolute retard, honestly, because he starts off saying he's extremely familiar with AI and AI agents, and then goes on to say that AI can't do exactly the things it was designed to do, which is interpret and unify and cross-reference different sources of data. And that's the thing that AI's been doing even before language models, even before ChatGPT. So the guy's dumb. and ignorant and egotistical instead of just being like intellectually humble, which is one of the best things you can be in life. Um, and he's also a liar because like in the end of the message he says that he's paying a human $60 a month for this, and he won't be interested in anything that's more expensive than that. But like, first off, $60 a month, are you a fucking slave owner? Second, you're a liar because in the original post you said we're paying $60 a week, which is 240 a month. So either you're gonna be lying to me or you're gonna be lying to the people who are applying for the original job post. And this kind of dishonesty is never good in a business partner or even a customer, a client. But I don't really have the luxury of picking and choosing, so I'm really gonna have to try my hardest and do my best to make sure I can get this lead, even if it's not with the full agent that I could make for him. I'm gonna try to make just a little bit, like just do a small product for him and get paid at least some money, hopefully enough to cover my rent and also my Gemini bill, because I checked that yesterday, and since I'm basically using Gemini to code and that shit's expensive, I owe Google like 50 euros and I have 40 in my bank account. So I am gonna need to pay 161 euros of rent and then plus 50 euros, so that now I gotta get 300 euros. But well, at least the Google's bill is just at the end of the month. Well, so yeah, I gotta get 300 euros in 7 days. That's gonna be fun as fuck. And like, it's honestly Google's problem is even worse because for the rent, like I send the money directly. I like initiate the transaction, but Google can just take the money from my account directly, and I don't know when they're gonna do it. And I can't just like take out my credit card from their servers because then I won't be able to use Gemini. Uh, so I gotta get money fast. Anyway, I'm gonna work on slide decks, gonna work on Teacher Zero, and I'll come back if I have anything more useful to say to you.